Hello and welcome, this is Daisy. Today I bring you an unboxing and review of the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine. Let's open it and see what comes in the box. It comes with a beautiful storage bag that you can customize to your liking. The cord is super long. Also comes with a safety insulation base and an instruction manual. The sole plate measures 2.6 by 4.4 inches. Perfect to customize a variety of items like t-shirts, hats, tote bags, socks, baby clothes, and many more. I will go ahead and plug it in to see how it works. This HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine has 3 heat levels and it's very easy to set up. Press the start button to adjust the temperature levels. The first line reaches to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. The second one reaches 320 and the last one 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Set up the temperature depending on the material you are going to customize. When the light turns green, that means the mini heat press machine is ready to be used. I will customize a baby onesie using HTVRONT Chameleon Iron On. The design was cut using my Cricut maker machine. Before pressing the design, I will clean the surface using a lint roller. Then center and align the vinyl design. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it between 25 to 40 seconds at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, the third temperature setting, the third line. Like I mentioned before, the vinyl design was cut using my Cricut maker machine. If you would like to learn how to cut iron-on vinyl using the Cricut machine, check for my tutorial in my channel. I will leave the link in the video description down below. Flip the garment and press it for 15 seconds. It's adorable. Customized with HTVRONT Chameleon Iron On and pressed with the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine. In summary, I am very satisfied with the quality of both the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine and the Chameleon Iron On vinyl. Both excellent quality and economical in price compared to other brands. In the description below, I will link the items used in this review. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.